So when it comes to using comparative adjectives to describe the difference between two things, we have some spelling rules. For example, for most one-syllable adjectives, like small and old, we just add er to make smaller and older. And it's very important here when we make smaller and older that we think about stress. So with old, it's only one syllable, so we don't really have the choice to stress another syllable because it's only one, so we stress that one syllable, old. But now this word older is two syllables, and we need to make sure that we stress the first syllable and we don't stress the second syllable. So the second syllable is a weak sound. So older, smaller. Now, when we have one syllable adjectives that end in the letter E, like safe and nice, we don't need to add another E. We can simply just add R to make safer and nicer. And moving on to one-syllable adjectives which end in a consonant, a vowel, and then a consonant, like hot and big. See, in hot we have H, which is a consonant, O, which is a vowel, and T, which is a consonant. We double the last consonant and then we add ER. So hot, H-O-T, becomes hotter, H-O-T-T-E-R. And it's the same for bigger. But there is a slight exception with new. We don't double the W, double the W. It's kind of difficult to say. We don't double the W. We just keep one W and then add ER. But for most others, if not all others, we double the last consonant and then add ER. When it comes to two-syllable adjectives ending in the letter Y, like noisy or happy, we simply minus the Y, take it away, replace it with an I, and then we add ER. So happy, H-A-P-P-Y, becomes happier, H-A-P-P-I-E-R. And for two-syllable adjectives that don't end in a Y, we just put more before the adjective. So we take the adjective crowded, and when we're comparing we just say more crowded or more common. So that's a nice easy one to remember. Nothing really special happening there. But make sure you use more. And that's the same for adjectives with 3 syllables or more. So we just put more in front of the adjective, like the adjective expensive, that has 3 syllables. So we just say more expensive when comparing. But be careful. These rules don't apply to all. But be careful, these rules don't apply to all adjectives. So good becomes better, and bad becomes worse. These are our irregular adjectives.